Hi there everybody, welcome to Tackle Saturday, Namaste. I am Sharon Sims, your host of Tackle Experts, Casual Chats, weekly casual informative conversations showcasing life here in Australia. I'm joined today by the very suave Sajal Gupta.
Good day guys, Sajal here. Hello to all our viewers, Tackle viewers, well-wishers, friends. Hope you're all watching this live. Sharon will try and keep it as informative and as casual as possible. Hopefully you guys can take some takeaways from here.
Try to keep it light today.
Hopefully.
Sajal's a really good friend of Tackle and he's going to talk about himself and his journey in a moment. Before I hand over center stage to Sajal, I'd just like to update you on the COVID situation here in Australia. Every day the numbers are going down here in Australia, and here in Western Australia we've had 7 straight days, I believe, of no new cases being reported, which is absolutely fabulous news. So Sajal, would you like to have a chat to everybody out there and let them know what you're all about?
No worries. Thank you Sharon for a quick intro about myself. Just give you guys a brief snapshot about myself. So basically my journey started to Perth 19 years ago. Born in India, did my high school did my early schooling in India, did my high school from Zambia, moved over from Zambia to Australia to pursue my higher studies. So pretty much I did IT and then pretty much upskilled myself into financial planning, and then I've done like various roles throughout pretty much my career. So that involves be it in hospitality, IT, risk management, financial planning, wealth management, and finally landing up a role with Tackle. So basically my role involves building international relations and create strategic partnerships with key stakeholders of education industry. So I would pretty much say that my journey in Perth overall has been a joyful journey. Have made like really beautiful relationships throughout, being it as a student or when joined the workforce also. Have had great level of support over here, so can't complain much about it. And I'm just in love with Perth as well, just purely in terms of you get like wide open spaces over here, clear beautiful skies, beautiful beaches, bushes. I mean, tell me where you can find such lovely weather.
It's amazing, isn't it? And we are here today just to the side of the Netherlands Yacht Club. Netherlands is a prestigious suburb here in Perth. As you said, absolutely amazing weather. The Netherlands Yacht Club is a popular wedding destination. So did you get married there?
Yes, I do have fond memories about this location. So I did have my wedding reception that took place here back in 2015.
Excellent. Yeah. There's lots of functions that they have at the Netherlands Yacht Club as well. Australia Day celebrations. It's an amazing place, and as we said, it's a prestigious suburb here in Perth. What more could you want being by the water? It's absolutely incredible. Anything else you want to share with our viewers today before we?
Pretty much any students that wants to move to Australia, or any migrants that wants to move to Australia. It's a very friendly place, very accommodating, very multicultural nation, quite welcoming. So this place is land of opportunities. So if you do have that hard working, you have that will, you've got that courage and determination, and if you've got good working ethics, Australia is the place for you guys. Yeah, you can definitely build your career from here on. Yeah. Lovely.
Did you want to talk a little bit about the 3 different programs that we have coming every week?
Yes, so we've got like pretty much Tackle Tuesdays, where Samuel, Teja and Sharon, they come and talk about life coaches, so more about mindfulness and being spiritual. So how like the stress that as a normal person which goes throughout the daily lives, if you go and watch Sharon and Samuel on Tackle Tuesdays, perhaps that could de-stress. You could take that toxic part from your bodies. We have Tackle Thursdays, which is more about what Tackle actually do. So we have 3 business verticals, where one of the verticals is if any international students wanting Australia or wanting to go to Canada or any other nations to enroll themselves for further studies, contact TACLE. We've got another business verticals which is migration as well, so we assist them in that aspect too.
And so that's the kind of thing we talk about, TACLE experts on TACLE Thursday.
Yes, and TACLE Saturdays is more
Today?
about being casual, so I was the first one live today. Tried to be as casual as possible. You guys did make me a bit nervous. Hopefully next time when I do come on, can act more professional.
We're running a little bit late today. Sajjal's operating on Indian times rather than Aussie time. Speaking of Aussie, I'd like to leave our viewers with another Aussie saying. So it's time for us to hit the frog and toad. Do you care to explain what that actually means?
Basically, frog and toad in Aussie slang means see you later, guys. See you next week. TACLE on Tuesday, basically.
Take care, guys. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for your time, guys.